Stone Vulcan here, and wanted to share something with you I think is important. Using Discord for audio chat, a lot of times people ask me, how do you use Discord at the same time while you're playing? So I just want to show you, right? I have both of my apps open here, and when I go into Discord, I'm going to flip this over. So I have a Discord channel that I run called Quarks, right? And there's all these text channels, but at the very top is Quarks Audio, right? And all I got to do is join. And then what I usually suggest is if you just want to listen in, right, you can use the mute button here, and that will hide um, what you're talking about. It'll let you listen in on what's happening. But you guys, this is a huge game changer if you're doing team raiding or armadas or anything like that. Alliance chat is not always the most effective way to communicate with one another. And so definitely suggest using Discord audio whenever possible to help each other out and communicate more effectively, get things done quick, and prevent people from clashing within your own alliance, especially with armadas. It was a really big deal because so many people were getting booted. So food for thought, just a super quick video.